Jiu Jitsu have to be patient, otherwise you're gonna get smashed. Same thing with R. Dennis got in touch with me a while ago. He asked me to create something for this collaboration between Origin and Tap Cancel Out. It's for a good cause. You know, help other people is what I'm here for as well. A lot of artists, they don't like to get bothered and talking during the art. I prefer to talk. Basically, a lot of people think I kind of know exactly what I'm gonna do, and that's not what happened. I come up with the idea, and right after, it's just abstract, it's just flow. Basically, I'm in the zone. I always draw since I was a kid, but I never really believed. I was just so focused on Jiu Jitsu. And then I got a day, something on my mind, okay, let's get started. That was it. In the first 2 months, I was already selling canvas around the US, and I realized, oh, this must be for me, right? The plan is to create a gi, Rashguard, some shirt, and everything with the artwork what means the collaboration between Origin and Tap Cancel Out.